I am Guru Prasanna K from 3D Fully Design. I am your 3D trainer and coach. A milestone. Milestone. A milestone. These are pictures of a milestone which we usually see on highways because I reached a milestone. Hey everyone, welcome back to 3D Fully Design. Today is special because this is my 100th video on YouTube and it's a milestone. On this special occasion, I would like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for supporting my channel till now. A quick flashback, my video 1 and video 2 on YouTube. I would like to quickly explore this milestone in 3D, that is in SolidWorks. The approx overall dimensions in mm of the milestone. Top is half round and it's entirely made of concrete. Here, I would show two ways of doing this in SolidWorks. First, line, arc, line transition while sketching. Second, full round fillets for solids. First and foremost, on the front plane, starting with midpoint line, sketched horizontally, then moved vertically and transitioned into arc. Then again transitioned to line on the right and closed the sketch. Then added dimensions of 575 for full height and 350 for width. Top is an exact semicircle of radius 175. Here dimensions 575 and 350 are driving and dimensions 400 and radius 175 are driven. Driving dimensions are like a driver who drives a car, whereas driven dimensions are like passengers who sits idle. Then extruded it to a depth of 250 mm backwards to make a solid milestone. Now the second approach. Then again on the front plane, drawn a center rectangle and tied it to origin at the bottom. Then to the rectangle added a full height dimension of 575 and width dimension of 350 and fully defined it. Then extruded the rectangle 250 mm backwards to make flat head milestone. Then let's round the top with the command full round fillet by selecting three adjacent faces, that is right face, top face and left face of a solid. Then sketched a horizontal line at front face passing through exactly where arc starts. Then with the split line command splitted the front and back faces of the milestone. Then applied yellow paint to top arced faces of the milestone. Then on front face, drawn horizontal construction line as shown for sketch text. Then with sketch text, sketched numeral 100 with Arial font of 500 points on the construction line. Then with split line command, splitted the front face to print numeral 100. Then ultimately black painted numeral 100 on front face. And the finished 3D milestone. My 3D certifications. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.